Lately, we've been receiving so many comments asking about loan scams, and some even shared their experience on this. They have lost hundreds to thousands of ringgits because of these scammers. Have you ever come across this situation yourself? If you did, maybe you can share it in the comment section down below. When it comes to personal loans, many find it hard to differentiate between licensed moneylenders and scammers. If you're a person who plans on taking personal loans soon or in the near future, here's 5 signs of potential loan scammers that you should be aware of. The first sign is 0% interest rate and 100% guarantee loan approval. When you come across a moneylender website or any sort of social media platform and there's an ad that mentions along the line 0% interest rate and 100% guarantee approval, well, they're most likely to be a scam. Usually when the marketing sounds too unrealistic, you should know that it's too good to be true. A legitimate lender will check if you're capable of paying back your loan before quoting you a suitable amount. They will go through an eligibility checking process based on some factors like your income, employment history, existing commitments, credit history, and many more. Second, pay an upfront fee before the loan application. If you're halfway applying with an agency and suddenly the loan consultant had requested you to make an upfront payment, deposit, or pay any service fee, they're a scam. You should know that if a loan company is legitimate and the real deal, they will never ever ask you to pay anything before you receive the loan. These scammers will usually use different types of excuses like it's a mandatory processing fee, documentation or legal fee, advance repayment, insurance, or even collateral. It's crucial to know that even if a fee is required for the service or the process, most lenders will usually make a deduction from the total amount of the loan that has been approved before the disbursement of the money. In case you're dealing with an agent, you should also know that these service providers will earn their commission through successful deals. Once the scammers had received your money, they will disappear and you will never be able to find them again. So be careful. Third sign of a potential loan scam is a request for ATM or debit card. Legitimate lenders will not hold on or deal with an ATM card or debit card of the borrower. If this happens to you, you should know that it's likely a scam. There's a high possibility that these scammers will be reluctant to return your cards unless you make a substantial amount of service payment to them. In most cases, they will even withdraw your money behind your back. Remember guys, once again, any processing fee should be deducted directly from your loan amount before the money is released to you. The fourth sign will be a cancellation fee. Let's just say you have applied for a loan with a company, but you have changed your mind and want to cancel the process. These scammers will demand you to make a payment for the process that you have gone through with them. This is actually one of their tactics to lure you into being a victim of a scam. Don't be fooled by this, because legitimate lenders will not charge you anything for cancelling the application as long as you have not signed the loan agreement. And last but not least, no license number for the money lenders. All licensed moneylenders will have their respective license number from KPKT. In most cases of loan scammers, these people would be unwilling or not be able to give you their license number. There are also loan scammers that pretend to be a licensed moneylender, but in fact, they are not. So, when you are in doubt, call directly to the company and verify if the person that you're dealing with are indeed from the company itself. So now, how to protect yourself from being scammed? Here's 2 things that you should do. First, you can use an app called i-Kredikom, which allows you to check the company's licensing status easily. All you need to do is include the company name to find out if the company is registered under KPKT. You can download this app on Apple Store or even Google Play. Or you can also log into the Portal Crime Investigation Royal Malaysia Police. This portal is managed by the Commercial Crime Investigation Department, CCID. Every information about cases that have been reported previously is stored on this portal. So, if you feel like there's a suspicious party that you would like to check, all you need to do is just key in the bank account number or telephone number into the CCID portal. Or you can just download the Check Scammer CCID apps. But this is only available for Android users, okay? That's all I have for you today. Those are the 5 signs of potential loan scammers that you must be aware of. Also, if you're looking for a safe and reliable loan, feel free to check your eligibility with direct lending. The link is in the description box down below.